my strap. That shit does it every time. Yes, sir. That thing looking mean, saucy, aggressive. It's 2:14. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. Hopping in straight to with a brand new video. Oh fuck no! I don't know if y'all see that. Oh hell nah! Hell nah! I don't fuck with spiders. Yeah, my brother, you need to go. You are not finna be hiding in my car. It's like 2:15. I don't know if y'all didn't see that, but currently waiting for my hoses to get here. I picked up some stuff. Washing the car. My car hasn't been washed in a minute. Shut up. I picked up this microfiber towel. Honestly, I could have gone for Harbor Freight, but I didn't want to wait another hour till the store opens, so I just got this. I've never used glass cleaner before, but I heard this is really good, so I might as well try it. Every time I clean my window, there's like water streaks and shit, so I might as well just try it. Fuck it. And I want to go ahead and pick this up. I heard it from my buddy that this is really good, so pick this up. This hella. And then I picked up this too. I heard this is actually really good, especially for the price. It's really good. So I just want to go ahead and pick it up. I was gonna get the big ass gallon of like, I think it's called gold wax or gold wash or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try out this car shampoo. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this interior detailer because I don't have any microfiber towels. This is the only one I have, unless I go pick some up, because I do think I need to go pick up that funnel kit. So I might have to just go ahead and do that. But this smells like shit, bro. I just opened it. It smells like complete dookie water, bro. I miss manual, dog. It's been a long time since I've used manual. I don't really need all that shit. I don't think I really need to use this. Hell yeah, take a look at these headlights, dog. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this shit washed. This shit's hella dirty. I don't even know what the hell this shit is, but yeah, it's there. So that's got to go. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this shit up. It's extremely damn hot, bro. That sun is not helping. Yeah, man. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't pass out. Alright, so I don't know why you can barely see shit on this camera screen, but yeah, man, she's all done. I'm trying to look at the paint and see if I can really tell a difference, but honestly, I mean, it's about the same as the one I used before. It's just clean, so I don't really care. So take a look at that. Maybe you guys can judge off this. I think it looks clean. I saw that damn spider earlier right here. There he is, look. I don't know if you guys can see him. Hiding, you motherfucker. I'm about to get your ass. He sees me too. Ready? Ready? About to get your ass, boy. Fuck. I missed. Fuck you, boy. You better get the hell out. Where are you at, bruh? Bring me my damn package. Ate a damn clock. And this shit's barely getting here, bro. So I'm going to work in about like an hour and a half, an hour and 50. Got the aluminum bleeder valve. You can see one. And the silicone V1 coolant lines. Yeah, man. They actually matched pretty good with the red. I didn't think they would look the same. I thought they were gonna look a little brighter, but they look cool. Look at that sunset though. I want you guys to see it. Looks crazy. Sorry this is not a tutorial that you're looking for. If you want a tutorial, go search it up on YouTube. That's what I did. I'll just update you guys whenever we're halfway through, because I already know these hoses gonna be a bitch to take off.
Later that same evening.
Alright, so change of plans. We got one side of the hose off. She was a pain in the ass. We just don't have the right tools, so probably gonna do this shit tomorrow. It's like 10 o'clock, 10:30 right now. I got shit to do tomorrow, so I need to try to get as much rest as possible. And tomorrow we'll be hitting the store, getting the right shit, and finishing this shit tomorrow. Plus it's dark and it's not a lot of daytime. We already bled the coolant, did all that shit, so the only thing we have to do is replace the hoses and burp the cooling system. Alright guys, so it is like day 4 now, bruh. The last clip was the first day, and now it's been like 5 days after, dude. Literally, no joke. Put the new lines in both sides, praying to God that they're tight. Look at your lazy ass. Right now, I just did the first phase of bleeding. I had to do the second phase. It started smoking a little bit when I did the first phase. I'm pretty sure, and I'm thinking it's just because coolant leaked all over like the hoses and the cats and stuff. Supposedly this could take up to days, so I'm really hoping it doesn't, because I miss driving this thing, bro, and I still got shit to do. Like, I'm trying to get this thing on the road. I'm about to go ahead and do the second phase. It is a very sketch. You have to put the funnel in there, add coolant, bleed it through the bleeder valve, turn the car on, full blast AC, and rev that bitch up to like 3K, and for like 10 seconds, and that shit's like super sketch, bro. So apparently we have to let the car, this is the second time, so we have to let the car go to operating temperatures, and then we have to rev it up to about 3K, which is honestly super sketchy for me. Once the car gets all the way to the operating temperature, we turn this shit on to full blast heat, and then rev it up to 3K, and if you're getting heat, then you're good. If not, then you have to keep repeating the process. So yeah, I have to let this. Oh shit, I didn't turn the full blast. My dumbass. We should be getting heat. Okay. Got a little heat. I'm not gonna lie, it's starting to get hot in here. But so far so good. No smoke, no nothing. So I'm pretty sure the hoses are cool. Everything seems to be cool. No leaks back there. No leaks here. Sure. Radiator caps all good. Ow. No leaks there. Cool. Leader cap not leaking.
The next day.
Alright, day 5, I think, with this little project. Took out the plastic, so now I can move the car. I haven't turned around since, so hopefully she should be good, chilling. Take a look at this shit, bro. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like, what is that, bro? I honestly have no idea what that shit is. Like in some angles you can see it, and then some angles you can't. Like, it's like, it looks like water spots all along right here. I put water on it and like rubbed it off, and it won't come off. Honestly, this whole hood needs a paint correction, because it's super sun damaged. Like, I don't know if you can see that spot right there, but it's not even like, it's like all fucked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this thing out. It doesn't need to stay here anymore, because I'm gonna take it on a test drive when I get back home. I got shit to do, so yeah, man. Okay. She's sounding good. Alright, bro. It's just blowing cool air. Letting it idle, see if I have to bleed it some more, because it did say when you idle, if it starts to get like, you know, the air temperature starts to like change, then you might have to do it again. So try and check it now. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of doing that. So as long as it drives, I feel like I'm good, because really I don't really use AC that much. But yeah, it's starting to get like not cool but not warm. I don't really use AC like that, so fuck it, dude. Other than that, my camera's about to die. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wrap it up because the car is good now. So appreciate you guys for watching. I know it wasn't no crazy car content. We should be going to some meets this weekend. Hopefully before by then I have new tires. That's all I really need now. Maybe you guys will see some content this weekend. If not, we should be picking up some new things for the Z. So I'll probably be making videos on that. You guys know. I'm not gonna buy shit and not make a video on it, because then you guys won't know. So make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to the channel, drop a like, support your boy. If you guys want to see more Z content, let me know. I'm gonna try to do best of both. 2 birds, 1 stone. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Thank God the Z is finally running up, bro. I haven't drove this thing in like 2 weeks. So if this thing fucks up again, oh my gosh, bro. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Like I said, I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and head out. My boy's pulling up right there, look. His new RT. Easy gap. Alright, man. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.